Hi, I'm Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and we specialize in paintless dent repair. This 2018 Jeep Wrangler has a large dent under the front door that we will be repairing with the paintless dent repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. Due to the access to this dent, we have to use what's called glue pulling to pull from the top surface in order to bring the metal back to the original shape and form. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more of the benefits of paintless dent removal. The paintless dent removal process can remove unwanted dents and dings permanently with absolutely no painting and no filler, therefore keeping your original factory finish. Not only can paintless dent removal remove unwanted dents and dings, but in some cases major hail damage and extreme dents. Give us a call today to see if your car is a candidate for paintless dent removal. Another flawless repair like it was never there. If you had damages that were similar to this, you're probably looking at about 1 or 2 hours of repair time. Angelo Dent Removal would like to thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like to know more about paintless dent repair, feel free to leave us a comment in the comment section down below.